हाँ, अगर आपको कुछ करना है तो त्रिपुरा को कैसा लगा, ये क्या लगा, ये सब कल के रैली में भी थी। हाँ, और कहाँ जाना चाहिए, यू कैन ऑल्सो एडवाइस देम।
वो आपका जो ट्वीट था या
हाँ, जो मेरा उसके बाद तो अरेस्ट हुआ ना वो पुलिस का, वो गुंडे लोग। हाँ, सो उसके बाद ये पहला बार इंडिया आया है और इतना खराब हम लोगों का इम्प्रेशन नहीं होना चाहिए। बोला कि हम लोगों का ईस्ट में ऐसा नहीं होता है, हम लोग अलग हैं। तो इसके लिए तो आई वांट देम टू एटलीस्ट टेक सम गुड थिंग्स फ्रॉम हम लोग का नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बारे टू एंड त्रिपुरा के बारे टू। It's been great.
Yeah.
These are all the medias.
Oh really? Hi. I didn't expect.
I got any questions you
I
can ask.
yes, okay.
So after you have came to India, right? Then now you have come to notice India. How do you feel in this
It
Tripura?
feels like completely different, really. And I'm having more relaxed and chilling time. I landed in the first city was Shillong. Shillong was beautiful. And yesterday I arrived in Tripura and I joined the march yesterday. Oh, it was amazing. It was very beautiful. People looks like more. I feel like I'm from.
And do you love our traditional dress of Tripura?
Yeah, actually, I had the show yesterday. Yeah, Risa. I think I still have it. Yeah.
How do you feel that it's beautiful or what?
It's very beautiful, and we have a very similar culture in Korea as well. Here, sticky rice is also famous.
Yes.
I didn't try yet, but I heard there's like a sweet version of sticky rice and salty version. I really want to try that as well.
Have you tasted our traditional food?
Not yet. I just had a breakfast today.
Today we will give you some mustang.
Mustang.
Yeah, that's pork.
Ooh,
We'll give you some chakui, and we'll give you some sticky rice, guriamirong. Once you have a traditional indigenous food, you will think about coming back over and over again.
Really? Maybe I
And we
should
will dress
move
you
here.
we'll dress you in a rignai, and we'll of course in a traditional dress.
Okay.
And you will look like a Tipraja.
I know one more. Hambai.
Hamba.
Hambai. Maybe I should learn more how to say it.
Kulungka.
Kolongka.
Kulungka.
Kolongka.
But I hope you enjoy. So we are going to send her to Ma Tripura Sundari temple. Then she can go and see some of
Jampu Hill.
Neer Mahal, Jampu Hills, Dumbor also, and let her see all our history, our culture. But more importantly, after जो इनको हुआ बॉम्बे में, मुझे लगा कि मैं इनको शिलोंग में बुलाऊं, उसके बाद मैं इनको अपने त्रिपुरा में बुलाऊं,